Hello, my name is Sergey. I am a co-founder of BPS Knives, and today on IWA Outdoors Classic, I will show you our new models and our top sellers. Let's begin from our top sellers. It's Bushmade. It's our collaboration with DBK. We made it maybe last year. It's a 1066 steel, wood handle and leather sheath with ferro rod. It's one of our top seller. It's a really good design. It's a really cool knife. Let's move. Our top seller. It's a adventure knife. It's our own design, our own production. These knives we made in Ukraine in our own production. Also in our production we made a leather sheath. So it's a very good bushcraft knife. Also I want to show you our newest model for bushcraft. It's a Gotur. Gotur, it's like a wood spirit. It's a red tail, D2 steel, wood handle and micarta bolster, and also leather sheath. So it's a good choice for hunting, bushcraft and camping. Also I want to show you one of our top seller. It's a Finlight. Finlight, it's a small tiny knife that has a carbon steel blade, 1066, ash wood handle. These screws, with these screws you can simple remove the handle, change it or just clean the blade. Also you have leather sheath. In this year we plan to make a redesign for Finlight, and it will be with stainless steel, micarta handle and kydex sheath. It will be released this summer. Also, I want to show you our newest model that make at our partner facility. It's Aurora. Simple Finnish style design, G10 handle with G10 blade and Scandi grind. Also kydex sheath. Simple small knife, but very comfy and very usable. Let's go to our folders. It's our first folder named Colibri. We designed this knife about 6 years ago, but only now we can produce it. It's a small EDC knife with hidden flipper, G10 handle and Sandvik 14C288 on blade. So it's not rust, it holds edge very well. And for now it's in two color option. It's green with black wash blade and it's black with satin blade. But this year we will release new color options like an orange handle and white handle. Also, one of my favorite knife, it's a skua. Skua, it's like a Norse seagull. We have on this knife Damascus and Nitro V steel on blade and also button lock. It's a really thin and affordable knife. You can use it for EDC or you can use it at camping or kitchen. What do you want? So I carry this knife about 6 months and I'm really happy with it. For now, on my pocket I have a Colibri. So if you need really cool knife, go to BPS and find it.